In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to crawl in Roblox Studio. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna show you one of the easiest ways to use a crawl system in Roblox Studio. You can do this easily, and it is going to work for any creation that you make. The only important thing is that you need to go into the game settings and access the avatar category and make sure that the avatar type is set to R6. For this script that makes it super convenient, you need to be using R6. So once this is done, you can save. If for whatever reason you cannot access the avatar tab, then just save the experience. You can give it any random name, set whoever you want as the creator. It just needs to be saved. And once it is saved, you can find the avatar option to change it to R6. With this done, you need to look for crawling system. So we're going to be using a script made by Coder's Cove. So the one that you are looking for is this, made by Coder's Cove. So credit to him for making this script. Once you find this one, click on it and you are going to see this message. Click OK and you will see the file here, ungroup in starter character scripts. So drag and drop this inside of starter character scripts. So it needs to be like this, starter player, starter character scripts, and finally ungroup. So all that you have to do now is select this and press Ctrl+U. Now you will see starter player, starter character scripts, and then crawl. With this done, just click on play and you are basically good to go. As you can see, I'm walking normally, and if I hold C, I am now crawling. Now, of course, a lot of people want to have the animation alongside this as well, but the animation is a little bit harder to set up, and sadly for this video, I cannot cover it in full. You should either try to make your own or look for someone who has developed an animation that you are allowed to use. But this one makes it simple, and as you can see by holding C, we are able to crawl. I hope I was able to help you on how to crawl in Roblox Studio. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.